Hey loves, you know I loved the headband wig so much, so I decided to add some color this time. And let me just say this, it's giving very much Ciara goodies. Let's get into this hair. Jumping straight into the unboxing of this is the Myfirstwig 20-inch ombre brown wig, and the hair density is 130%, and I have it in the cap size 1. Let me just say this, I love how Myfirstwig always has everything you need in the box. So in the pouch we have a rat tooth comb, some clips, bobby pins, and then of course they also provide some headbands for you guys to choose from. And this go around they provided some edge control, which I will show you guys. It definitely was talking about something because it seriously worked. And then a wax stick, and of course an edge brush, some stocking caps, and then the details of the wig. And I also love how they provide a portable little wig stand. It is super convenient and easy to put together. And then I just have my hair braided. You guys, this is my first time like really braiding my hair back, so I'm super proud of myself. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want me to do an in detail video on how to get it flat and straight back like this. If you have long and thick hair, trust, it was a little challenging, but I finally think I have it down packed. So this is how I kind of tuck my hair. I like to kind of just wrap it up, lay it flat at the nape of my neck, so like towards the bottom. And I like to put on like this wig net instead of a wig cap. I just feel like it's just easier and convenient for me, and plus the wig cap color isn't really going to show anyway since it's a headband wig. Then I just kind of spread the braids out just to kind of like lay them as flat as I can. Now I did end up taking the wig off and like going back under and laying it flatter, but for the purpose of this video, just showing you guys, that's basically how I kind of wrap the braids up. And then when I apply the wig, I always put that bottom comb in first. I actually ended up cutting out the other 3 combs that they had. The 3 combs were on the 2 sides and then 1 at the top, and I just feel like that tugged on my hair way too much, so I only prefer the security at the bottom, especially because this is a headband wig. So just taking the velcro headband piece and wrapping it makes it secure on the top for me. And let me just say, the color is gorgeous. Like, it looks 10 times better when I get ready to curl it, but I'm obsessed with this, like, because now that I know that you can, you know, have it in color, now I really can just switch it up. And if I want to go run errands and want to feel like Ciara, I literally can. Like, this is such a cute color, which definitely makes me want to try other colors too, and just, you know, experiment. Now you see how it's a little humpy. Now I did end up taking this back off, so that's why I was just saying I think that me moving it around so much kind of made like the braids pop out more. But I'm getting ready to wand curl it, and I'm using my Conair 1-inch curling wand, and I have mine on the highest heat setting. I didn't apply any like, you know, hairspray or anything because I did kind of want the curls to drop. I just wanted like some little soft curls, if that makes sense, because they were kind of tight, you know, when I get ready to show you at the end. But I'm going to also show you guys at the end how they looked when they dropped, which was super cute too. So, you know, let's just relax with the music and watch how beautiful this hair curls. And about 20 minutes later, I love putting clips at the end of my curls. That just kind of makes it pop more. Now, if you want your curls to kind of last longer and kind of stay in that tight hold, you definitely want to spray some hairspray at the end. But because I wanted kind of like some soft waves or like soft curls, I decided not to do that. And you're going to kind of see me run my fingers through my hair, definitely separate them more, and just kind of create some body.
Homage got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the
Overall, I love this wig. Like, this is definitely going to be in my go-to stash now. Now, I'm not even going to put on like all these headbands like I've shown you guys in my previous videos, because with this outfit that I had on, this little pink velour tracksuit set, I just decided to wear a plain gray headband with this. But I'm obsessed with headband wigs, y'all. They're extremely low maintenance. They're easy. You literally just, you can't mess it up. That's just the perfect part about it. And now that I know, you can rock some color with it, you really can spice things up. Now, I also thought about if you wanted to wear a cute hat or you wanted to wear like a cute satin scarf around it, you really could do that too. Because again, it's just so simple and convenient. And because your hair is slicked back, it will cover everything. So after I'm done kind of separating the curls and fluffing it and getting it to lay how I want it to, I just took some gloss or sheen spray and kind of rubbed it through the entire wig. And that is pretty much it, y'all. Super easy, super convenient, like I was saying. And you see how my edges are swooped and laid? Like, shout out to their little edge control, because it was doing it. Like, and right now as I'm recording this voiceover, my edges are still laid. Okay, so shout out to Myfirstwig. And again, this wig is in 20 inches, the soft ombre brown color, and the hair density is 130%. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.
Homage got the vibes, got